Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechUp. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to use ClickUp for personal. ClickUp is a powerful tool that can be just as useful for personal organization as it is for managing work projects. Here's how you can leverage ClickUp to keep your personal life on track. ClickUp's free plan offers generous features perfect for personal use. Set up a workspace dedicated to your personal life. This will be your central hub for all your personal tasks and projects. List out the foundation of organizing your tasks in ClickUp. Create list of different personal growth, meal planning, hobbies, project, to-dos, errands. Break down your personal goal and inspiration into actionable tasks within your list. This can include anything from book a dentist appointment to learning a new language. Assign due dates to your tasks to ensure you don't miss on important deadline. Use priority high, normal, low to focus on your most critical tasks first. Use ClickUp's recurring tasks feature to build up routines and healthy habits. For example, setting a recurring task to go for a run or go for a gym every other day. Break down complex tasks into similar manageable steps using checklists within your tasks. This is how you can use ClickUp for personal. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.